We look at both engineering and manufacturing solutions. On the engineering side, we focus on model-based definition to lead our digital journey with our customers so they could take full advantage of the benefits of putting a digital thread together so they can use the data downstream more effectively for quality, production, and realize all the benefits to reduce costs, get to market faster. On the manufacturing side, we focus on all the digital manufacturing capabilities on the floor. We go in and do assessments to see where they are to begin with. Then we look at how can we help them with best practices, turnkey systems, planning automation, DNC, those kinds of things. So really take advantage on the back end of their digital connections. When we started out with our customers, we provided point solutions. We would sell a CAD here or a piece of simulation software. Now we've made the journey with Siemens to connect things together so our customers realize benefits. If we just sold the software and walked away, they would not realize the benefit. Our services help them connect and take advantage of the digital solution that we just provided. And when they adopt it, we build more trust with them, they build more trust with us. We're able to take it to the next level. The first thing is we're manufacturing experts. Our service folks and our business people have vast experience. We're SMEs in the manufacturing space. We've seen so many different shop floors and production facilities to know where bottlenecks are and what are not best practices. So we focus on best practices. The second thing that really sets us apart is we are a federal partner as well. There's no other partner that is as deep into the federal business as we are. Our GSA contract also works with state and local government, and we also can leverage that for teaming relationships between SIs, OEMs, and other suppliers. An example of a good success story for us where we really made an impact. We have a customer, it's a large shipbuilding company, and actually they're a Siemens software customer, but we were pulled in to look at their manufacturing, and that was 6 years ago. Now, we're almost sole sourced on all the manufacturing services that they need. We have contracts year after year with them. We do NX Post and SIM kits for them. They've also leaned towards us to say, hey, how can you help us improve our process, reduce our cycle times? And now we're working with Siemens, since we're a trusted partner on the floor, to talk about some of the automation and the digital footprint that we can put on the floor. People choose SIS because of our reputation, not only in the market space and the industries, but Siemens. Siemens refers business to us. We team with Siemens. We are a trusted, valued partner on that. On the commercial side, our services are lending itself to drive in more business. We found out years ago that if you bring the services and you're successful in the services, when people actually use the software and get the benefit, the referrals will come. Our journey with Siemens over the last 20 years has changed quite a bit. We started out as a partner supporting small accounts, and now we're into enterprise solutions, working with Siemens, working with other partners and other companies to provide really integrated solutions for our customers. We are so excited to start incorporating and looking at AI, machine learning, and other technologies. We're all leaning into that to see how Siemens is going to respond to that and how we can bring some of our other partners in to help our customers with this new technology.